Hello everyone, Cheryl Ann here with another completed journal. This is a soft cover fabric journal, 2 signatures with this beautiful kind of nature studies fabric that I have. And she does have a pocket here on the front. I'm going to include this pen with her, and she has a couple little things that you can take out. So that's here on the front. In fact, it says nature studies. Her size, she's a big girl. She's 12 by 8.5. There's 8.5 right there. And like I said, she does have a soft cover. She has 30 pieces of paper to 4 sides, so that's 120 sides if you count every side. And I made 2 huge pockets, one on each of the inside covers. I like him peeking out. So these are handmade. You can put more things in there. And then I did do some jelly plate acrylic. So that is acrylic. She does have some quotes that I got from, not sure. I'm gonna have to look it up. So she has all kinds of pockets and tucks. She has a couple envelopes. That comes out and that sticks up. Really, I started working on this one, and then I started making some little half-size apron utility kind of ones with pockets, and I had put her to one side, and I suddenly realized I didn't finish this one. Here's a little side pocket. I really had fun making some side pockets. I didn't put anything in there on that because I thought that was just too pretty. This was Dylusion Sprays and Prima Mist. And I like to leave some pages blank because I like people to have the option of doing their own thing on them. Oh, those are some stencils that I coffee stain, and then I put the stencil on top to dry. So you've got plenty of room to journal or art journal. This is just a little, I love this little bird. Isn't he adorable? I have no idea what kind of bird that is. So that, and it is lined. That's composition book paper. And up here on the top, there's a woodpecker. Oh, that's so cute. I haven't heard our woodpecker in the neighborhood lately, so I don't know what he or she is up to. Here's a side pocket with the feathers. Really like that one. See in here just different things of nature, some leaf prints, a moose, a moose on the loose, another pocket. That one I just clipped in because on the back is this one. And again, it's clipped in. You can move it to another page if you want. I love this kind of ledger paper. There's another journaling area. You can move it because that's clipped in. Oh, and then this one has the lines underneath. Another one of the stencil papers. Another side tuck. Oh, this is what happens when you spray Dylusions onto the bubble wrap, and then you let your papers dry. I love doing that. Oops. There's the middle. She has this paper on this side. She has some mushrooms on this side. I did use quite a few digitals, so I'll have to go back. No, I have them here. Susan Taylor Brown. And I have to reach here. Sorry about that. Of course, 2 of them fell on the floor. Hold on. There we go. My Porch Prints, Tailor-Made Journals, Adamo Prints, Calico Collage, Queen of Mirth. I think that's, there might be one more. I'm going to have to go back to my purchases and try to figure it out. You know, I write it down and then I lose the piece of paper that I wrote it on. That's how I roll. That's a little tuck spot. That's wax paper or parchment paper. I think that's actually parchment paper. Love the sound of it. That's a gorgeous print. I don't know why my camera's out of focus there. Probably because I'm moving around so much. There's a blue page. This little thing's at the top, and then I put some fibers sticking out. It's another stencil. I love this tree. There's the back of that paper with the Prima Mist and Dilutions. Cute. There's a leaf with a little tuck spot there. They're stuck in a quote. I wanted to get this little owl in there, so I actually put it on. That's muslin that has the acrylic on it, that stencil. So this is the end of the first signature. This is the second. She's a good size. I like this size. It's another muslin that I rolled off with a stencil. She's got all kinds of stuff sticking out. Pages aren't all the same size. There's a little tuck spot with a couple journaling cards. Oh, I did want to use this owl because he's just so gorgeous, and he goes so well with the colors. He's looking at you. Like this guy here. See, there's plenty of room for you to do your own thing in here. That's a piece of the paper, and there's a journaling card. Another one with a stencil. It's a little itty bitty pocket with a little itty bitty card. I love this digital. And that's just clipped in there, so you can take that out, but I like the lines on it. Some mushrooms. I love this afternoon light. Oh, this is a little envelope, and I tucked in the little mushroom chart. So that's on the inside. It's just clipped, so you can move it around. I like this with the old print. This is the middle of the second signature. That's just gorgeous. Here's another side pocket. That folds out. Oops. There we go. There we go. So there's a lot of room there. That's on the back. Yeah, this beautiful print. There's another fold out. I like doing the fold outs. There's another side pocket. I really love these nature journals. If you love nature, Oh, see, now somebody else. Oh, that's a stencil there. That's how they got that. I just put my papers on the bubble wrap and let them dry. It's interesting to see how they come out. They don't always come out perfect, but that's okay. There's a page from a bird book and a pocket. Another stencil. Let me see the page here. It's glued together, of course. There it is. Little squirrel. I'll have to get it unglued. There's Northern Oreos. We do get Oreos here. They pass through. Another gorgeous page. Another tuck spot. A little pocket with a couple little things. I like the ferns. Almost to the end. Deer with the spots. That's the end of that signature. And then here's a huge pocket here in the back, and it's got a couple things in it, and that's the back. That's the side. That's the top. I think I have stuff coming out of the bottom. Probably fibers and fibers and threads. So there she is. Nature Studies. So she will be in my Etsy shop, Deserts and Beyond. I'll put the link in the description and in the comments. So come on by and take a look. Until next time, bye for now.